I am Dr. Mark Sorrentino. I'm an Executive Medical Director at PPD Consulting. I am a pediatric intensivist by training. I spent about 15 years at an academic institution doing critical care and then moved into industry where I've been ever since. So I think that the future is certainly exciting. It's a major transition where we're actually going to be holding people accountable in the healthcare system for their outcomes, which I think is good for everybody, certainly good for the end user, which would be our patients. I think for the life sciences companies, the goal really is to move from that day-to-day interaction of trying to sell things into a role of being more educational based, educating physicians, getting people engaged in broader public health services that they can offer as a life sciences company, and really that's going to be the value that they'll be able to show in the future. Yeah, so I think that there's a tremendous range of those things. There's obviously some of the simple diseases like heart disease and hypertension and diabetes, where the life sciences companies can partner with ACOs and the physicians that are part of those ACOs to really try to work on population health and to have great outcomes in addition to utilizing their products, and I see that probably the trickle-down effect will be that can happen with more and more diseases as more and more products are developed. Yeah, I think that for starters, I think that understanding what the ACO model is something that is still confusing to many people, even within the pharmaceutical, biotech, and device industry. So on the outset, I think it'll be important for them to understand exactly what an ACO does, who the key contributors to decision making in an ACO might be, because I think that that's where they're going to need to focus their energies in the future. So I think that that will be very important. And again, to go from there to really understand that the model is outcomes based, and how best can they affect that change and make those outcomes better for the patient population, which again will reflect on everybody.